In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve Microsoft Excel cannot paste the data. Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool for managing and analyzing data, but every now and then you may encounter a frustrating situation where you cannot paste your data and a message appears stating, "Excel cannot paste the data." This issue usually occurs because Excel is not set to recognize information coming dynamically from other applications. Fortunately, resolving this problem is straightforward and can be done in just a few steps. To start, open your Microsoft Excel application and load the workbook you are working on. Once your workbook is open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you will find the File tab. Click on the File tab to open a sidebar with several options related to your document. From this sidebar, look for the Options button and click it to access Excel's settings. In the Options window, you will see multiple sections and settings. Here, focus on the Advanced section. Scroll down within the Advanced settings until you locate the General section. This section contains a setting related to Dynamic Data Exchange, commonly known as DDE. Specifically, look for a checkbox labeled Ignore Other Applications that Use Dynamic Data Exchange, DDE. If this box is checked, Excel is currently set to ignore data coming from other applications, which is likely the reason your data cannot be pasted. To fix the issue, simply uncheck this box. By doing so, you allow Excel to acknowledge and process information exchanged from other programs, which usually resolves the pasting problem. After unchecking the box, click OK at the bottom of the Options window to save your changes and close the window. This action applies the new setting immediately. Essentially, what you have done is enable Excel to communicate dynamically with other applications, removing the barrier that was preventing your data from being pasted correctly. This quick adjustment can save you significant time and frustration, especially when working with spreadsheets that rely on data from multiple sources. With these clear and simple steps, the Excel cannot paste the data issue should now be resolved. It is a practical solution that does not require technical expertise, but can make a noticeable difference in your workflow. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.